Hi friends, look, this is a male pumpkin flower and this is a female pumpkin flower. I am going to show you another flower, what you will call it. Is it a third gender? It has both female like structure and male like structure. Have you ever seen? Okay.